Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your profile pictures on Netflix in PC or Smart TV. If you're tired of the same old Netflix icon, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can change your Netflix profile pictures on PC or Smart TVs. Fast and easy. So in here, I'm going to just open the Netflix app first on my computer. You can also do it on your browser. So once you open Netflix in here, before entering the Netflix homepage, you can also change the profile picture directly from here by clicking on this manage profiles options. And here choose the profile that you want to change its picture. For example, I want to change this one. You can click on the pencil icon on the profile and here click on edit personal and contact info. And just click on this pencil icon again on the profile picture. And then you can now just choose the new profile picture for your profile. You can see there are lots of Netflix movies and also show characters that you can choose as your new profile picture. So you can just choose one from your favorite shows. Let's say here I'm going to just choose. Okay, I'm going to select this one, for example. And here, as you guys can see, the preview will be changed and you can just tap on save. And after that, your profile picture will be updated. You can also do the same steps on the Netflix in Smart TV. Tap on done and that's it. So you can make your account stand out with just a few taps. And that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. I'll see you all on next tutorial. Bye.